the last video abruptly stopped. So I calculated the derivative using the product rule and verified that, yep, that integration is correct. So now let's have a look at the first one here. The hint is quite a tough looking hint. A half integrate x log x squared dx. Ooh, okay. So I should say u equals log x squared. That means du dx would be 1 over x squared times 2x, which is 2 over x. That doesn't seem too helpful. What substitution? Huh. I'm not sure what substitution to use. Maybe x squared? Du dx would be 2x dx. So a half du equals x dx. So that would be a quarter log u squared du. And I can take the 2 down. So that'd be a half integrate log u. So that would be u log u minus 1 plus c. So that would be a half x squared that's, and then log x squared minus 1 plus c. Can't check it because it's even. 243. Ugh. Oh dear. This is the integration of x squared. I assume they mean log x squared dx. U equals what about if I say log x, then du dx is 1 over x. No, not going to help. What about log x squared? So that means du dx equals 2 log x times 1 over x. No. Oh, okay. What about No, not x log. What about x log x? So that means du dx would equal log x plus 1. No, that doesn't look right either. Also, I'm not sure if the 2 on the log means log log or log squared. Um, hmm, hmm, hmm. Let me pause and have a think. By the way, I should point out that there's a mistake here in this question. It actually, I realized that that doesn't make any sense because of this here. I think they meant to say x log x, um, not log x, because we know the answer for log x. So, and also, I think I made a mistake of losing a 2 here. So let me just check this. This should actually say x log x, and that would be a half x log x squared. So the u is x squared, so that means du dx equals 2x, so a half du equals x dx. So it means then that this half here, no, sorry, I should have said du equals 2x dx. So what I could do is I could put a 2 here and change that to a 4. So that's 1 over 4 log u. And so that should have said 1 over 4. And that should say 1 over 4. Okay. But now I'm still thinking about this 343. I just need to think of a good substitution to use, but I'm not so sure. Oh, actually, because I know what x log x integrates to, yeah, if I could get this to, so this is integration of x log x squared dx. So if I said u equals x log x, no, that's not quite right. No. It's very similar to the last one, but just squared. Very close to the last one. So maybe I want to use some kind of trick like they did last time. U equals x log x. So that means du dx would equal log x plus 1. Doesn't look too helpful. What about if I just said u equals log x? Then that means du dx equals 1 over x. So du equals dx over x. Now, what about if I said u equals 1 over x? And that means du dx would be minus 1 over x squared. Okay. What about if I said u equals x squared? Then du dx would equal 2x. What about if I said x cubed? Then du dx would equal 3x squared. Maybe. So then the u would equal 3x squared dx. So 1/3 du would equal x squared dx. So this would become the integration. X squared dx would become 1/3 log x du. And that would be 1/9 integration of 3 log x du. I can bring the 3 to the power. Hello, 1/9 integration log u du. Nice. So this would equal 1/9 log u. So that's the previous answer, except instead of x squared, it's u squared, and u is x cubed. So it'd be 1/9 times 1/4, I hope. 1/36 x. So it's going to be u squared, and so that's x power 6 log x power 6 minus 1 plus c. Ho, I hope that's right. What number is this now? 3, 4, 3, 1/9, yes. 1/9 x cubed. Huh? That's strange. That's strange. Integration of x log x becomes 1/4 x squared. U is x cubed. So if I check it here in my software, let's check it. So it's the integration of x log x squared. So x cubed log x squared over 3. Oh, it's my mistake. It is my mistake for sure. Okay. I'm off by the power of 2. All right, I'll go back in time. But let me just check that my previous answer is right for integrating x log x. X squared log x over 2 minus x squared over 4 minus x squared over 4. X squared log x over 2. X squared log x over 2. I'm missing a 2 here or something. Why is that? Oh, because u is 2x. Okay, so I'll just fix that. And then fix the next one. This is a tough one. Okay, so u is x squared. So that's x squared over 4 times log x squared. Oh, I can bring the 2 down if I wanted to. Minus x squared over 4 plus c. X squared log x. Yeah, x squared log x. Yeah. Yeah, so that 2, okay, I think that's what's happening here. Could come down, make that a bit neater. It'd be over 2, x squared log x over 2 minus x. Okay, okay, maybe that's the issue here. So here we say u equals x cubed. So that means du equals 3x squared dx. So 1/3 du equals x squared dx. So this becomes 1/3 because the x squared and the x gets replaced by du. So that's log x squared du. And that would be 1/3 integrate now I have to do something about the x here. So if I change this, I made a mistake, I see now. If I change this to 1/3 times 3 and bring the 3 up, so that'd be 1/3 log x cubed squared du. That's 127 integration of log u du squared. Do I know how to integrate that? Did that come up earlier? Um, um, uh, close. Close. What substitution to use though? The square on the log is the problem. Think again. Okay, one of the substitutions I want to try is v equals 1 over x log x, because then that would mean I would get dv dx. So different. No, would that do the job? No, I don't think that would do the job, would it? Maybe. So bring down the power, reduce the power by 1, and then plus 1 over x squared. No, that's not going to work. Let me think again of another substitution. One moment. Okay, I have a highly contrived integration we could perhaps use. If I could say b equals log u times u times log u minus 1. So notice that dv du. So first we differentiate log u, that's 1 over u, it'll cancel with that. So you're left with log u minus 1. And then differentiating the u would leave you with log u times log u minus 1. And then differentiating this would leave you with u times log u and times then 1 over u minus 0. So that cancels with that. So what you get is dv du equals log u minus 1 plus log u squared plus log u. So that means that log u squared equals dv du minus 2 log u plus 1. So if you integrate, that would mean the integration of log u squared du would equal v, oh my, which is log u log u minus 1 minus 2, the integration of log u, which is u log u minus 1 plus integration, that's u, plus c. All right, can we simplify this? That'd be u log u squared, u times log u squared, u by log u by u, and then minus u log u minus 2u log u plus 2u plus u plus c. So that would be x cubed log x cubed squared minus x cubed log x cubed minus 2x cubed plus 2 log x cubed plus 3x cubed plus c. Is that even possibly right? X cubed log x squared over 3, x cubed log, you see the 3 can come down though, make a 9, and the 3 can come down here as well actually. So I could have done some cleaning up for sure. That 3 comes down to make a 9 and 3, so I could have said 6x cubed log x and then minus 6x cubed log x oh, I forgot the square on that. Plus 3x cubed plus c. So actually, I'm not doing too badly. I'm just missing a divide by 3. Or yes, actually, we have to multiply the answer by 1 over 27. So this is all over 27. So then that would be 6 over 27. 2 over 9. Or no, 6. 27. 2 over 9. It's 6 divided by 18. 18, not 27. Should that 27 be an 18? That would really fix everything. If I'm off ever so slightly. I'm so extremely close, but yet so far. Oh, did I forget that? Okay. So close. So painfully close. Okay, let's review everything. Okay, integration x log x to the squared. So we'll say u equals x cubed. So that means 1/3. Okay, that looks right. So now onto this line. So I replaced the dx and the x squared with 1/3 du and log x. So that's 1/3. And then I changed that into 1/3 times 3 and then brought the 3 up. So that's 1/3 squared is 1/9 times the 3 is 1/27 log u squared. And then I used the substitution b equals log u times log u minus 1. So the derivative would be log u minus 1 plus log u times log u minus 1. And then u log u 1 over u. So there's log u. So then that means dv du is log u minus 1 plus log u squared. And then it'll be minus log u plus log u. I do something wrong here maybe. Log u minus 1 plus log u squared. Why have I got plus log u here? The minus log u cancelled. So it should just be this. So that means log u squared equals dv du minus log u plus 1. So that means integration of that would equal that, but then there's no 2 here. Okay. So that means no. Okay, so I'll just correct this then. Okay, so that's v. Okay, so that would be u log u squared minus u log u minus u log u plus 2u plus c. So that's kind of better. So then if I put in the 1/27 of the integration of log u squared du, then this would be over 27, and the u, I've lost what the u is, x cubed. So that'd be x cubed over 27, and that would be log x cubed squared. But I can take the 3 out as a 9, and then divide by 9, so that becomes 3. Nice. Okay. And then here, these two go together, so that's minus 2u log u divided by 27. So again, the 3 can come down and make that a 9. Oh, nice. Plus 2x cubed over 27. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. But insanely hard.